Hey everyone, welcome back. It's me, Miss Foster, and today we are going to be working on an abstract drawing today, and we are going to be choosing one everyday object. I would recommend using one that has maybe some texture or a pattern of some sort, so that way you don't get bored drawing it, because today we are going to be drawing it 4 different times. Each time that we draw this object, we're going to be overlapping our drawings on top of the previous ones. We're also going to be changing the view of the object, so maybe you're going to get a side view and a front view and maybe a view from the top, etc. And we are also going to be rotating our paper 90 degrees for each drawing. If this sounds like a lot, just trust me here. This is actually a project adapted from one of my college assignments. Thank you, Professor Robinson. And so we are going to be ending up with, yours probably won't look like mine because you might choose a different object, but we're going to have a really awesome abstract drawing with the overlapping lines, okay? I am drawing today in charcoal. I encourage you to use charcoal if you have it. Charcoal is a really fun art material that you can blend, that you can smooth, but if you don't have access to charcoal, just grab a black crayon or maybe even a colored crayon for this project, or try just a pencil drawing as well. You can do some shading with just a plain pencil, number 2 pencil also. So go ahead and grab a piece of paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Hey everyone, it's me again, Miss Foster. I'm just here to remind you to hit the subscribe button if you like these videos and you want to see more. I also want to remind you that these videos are created in partnership with Painting Pandas, which is an awesome nonprofit organization here in Austin, Texas that provides free art instruction and free art supplies to any kid who needs them. If you would like to learn more, donate, or sign up for a live class with me, go ahead and click the link that's in the description below, www.paintingpandas.org. All right, I'll see you next time.